What could this be? I'm joking, you already know what it is, probably from the thumbnail and title. But, welcome back everyone to another video. Today is going to be an awesome one because it's an install video for my WRX. And we are installing tail lights. Today is going to be awesome because I can't wait to install them because these are boring me and these new ones that I bought look amazing and I can't wait to install them. I want to get straight into the video and not make the intro too long like I did with my headlights because that was like 17 minutes long and I want to make it nice and easy for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install them, how to remove your old ones, and showing how they work and where you can buy them from. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, straight away this comes in the box. Get some foam stuff. And are you guys ready for this reveal? Hold on, let me just set my camera up so I can show you. Check those out. These are so sick. Oh my gosh, they're gonna look so good on my car. So if you're wondering where I got these from, these are from CT Auto Parts. These are the Spec D LED tail lights for the Gen 3 WRX sedan. I'll link those in the description where you can buy them from. And yeah, if you want to go buy them, there's the description for you. Go down there. And while you're down there, why don't you hit the subscribe button? You get this as well. This is the new gaskets and the LED, I forgot what it's called, I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure you don't even really need to use these gaskets. You can reuse your old ones because they're a lot thicker than these ones. So I probably won't be using them, they'll probably just go in the bin. But yeah, you need these receptors. It's all just plug and play, it's pretty easy. And I'll just put those to the side as well. More packaging. Ugh. And here's the other one. All in good condition. Looking hell clean. It's got the black housing just like my headlights that I got also from CT Auto Parts. If you want these as well for your hatchback or sedan, I'll leave them in the description as well. And they got that same black housing, clear lens, and it looks amazing. My tail lights now, these new ones, have this white bar, so it's going to match the front, which is sick, and I can't wait to install them. So yeah, that's all you get in the box. There's no instructions, unfortunately, but I've looked up videos and I should be able to do it all by myself today. So we're just going to chuck all this stuff to the side and get on with taking off my old ones. And here are the old tail lights, which will be going today, the classic stock red. They do look nice, but I think it's a little bit too much red for my car and it just kind of doesn't match. I don't really like this whole design, and it's stock and I want to be different, so we're getting rid of them and slapping on the new ones. Okay, first thing, you're going to pop your boot, and let me just get rid of that stuff, so give me a sec. Alright, now that we have a nice clean boot, all you have to do is take out that clip and that one, and same on that side, so you can pull back this lining. So this one and this one. Now just do the exact same on that side. Okay, now those are out. What I like to do is put them in a little container so you don't lose them for later, because that would be a big pain in the ass. Oh, turns out there's also a clip there and there that I was missing, but mine's already missing one here, which is kind of annoying. But this one isn't, so take out those as well. Okay, we should be able to pull this off now. Okay, we've pulled that back. I think it's pretty malleable, so you should be able to just bend it. And there's the back of the tail light. So all I'm going to do is just show you guys how to do one side, and then it's pretty self-explanatory to do the other, so I'm not going to show it. Yeah, we're going to start with this side here. So you grab a 10mm, and we're going to start off by taking off one bolt there, another at the top, one down there, and one here. Now these ones here are a bit more tricky. I think, I'm not sure if they just pull off or not, or you have to press a tab down. So I'll figure that out and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm already sweating. I got them off though. I'm not sure if they have a little tab down there you have to press in, but I recommend pliers to yank them out. This is a bit annoying, but I got them out. Now I'm going to undo these nuts, so then you can then unplug that and take out the tail light. Okay, they are all unscrewed and I chucked them down in my little handy dandy bucket down there. You're going to twist this to the left, and that pulls out your bulb. This one has a little clip Should be able to just yank it out like that. And this one, you also turn to the left and that comes out. So guys, I think it's just about ready to be taken out. Alright, wish me luck. I'm gonna go for it and try and take it out. So let's see how we go. And she's out. And that's how you take out a tail light on a WRX Gen 3 sedan. Wow, that looks really weird. But what I'm going to do is just give this a quick little clean down, because why not? And I'm going to be reusing this gasket here. And let's get on to wiring the new ones. It's actually not wiring, you just get the little resistor thing, stick it on the inside of the metal boot, and then plug in these to each other. So yeah, I'll chuck these down, give it all a clean, and I'll get ready to take out the other one. Alright guys, I've given that a clean. I'm about to take off this next one, but I won't show you, so I can do my little magic and you guys can enjoy seeing it done in a second, but it's going to take me a little bit. But here you go, this will be done in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. They're both out. It looks so funny. It looks kind of cool though. They're both out, both wiped down, ready for these new ones to go in. I'm going to start off with this side, and once again I won't show you guys that side. I'll just show you when this one's done, and then I'll show you the finished result with both of them. So let's go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the plastic covering on, and then I'll wait till the end to take it off so my dirty hands don't get all over it. But let's begin with the first light. Alright, let's just take off this corner bit, these little foam pieces, because we don't need those. I might actually have to take off this corner wrapping so I can get this through the hole. Yeah, we have these two little wires that stick out, that's going into the resistors that I showed you before, and I should be able to chuck the old gasket in here, and this is what's getting plugged into right here, this little plug right there. I've just got the gasket from the old tail light, and that should just feed over these little holes here, because like I said, these ones are a lot thicker and should stop anything getting in there. Don't really like the idea of the other ones anyway, so this should work totally fine. If not, then hopefully they don't break. Alright guys, we're gonna try and put in the first tail light, so wish me luck. Also, right here on the side is a little slide-in clip which clips into this little bolt thing here, so you're going to make sure to slide that in as you're putting on the lights. Put that in like that. You really got to be precise with getting this in. Give me a sec guys, I got to get this in. Okay, that took way too long, and I'm a bit annoyed because I chipped some paint, but you can always get that fixed. But that is in, the taillight's in, pushed it all the way as forward as I can, fits in there. That's what was scratching, this corner was scratching there, so hopefully I can just, I don't know, get some paint marker. But that's all in there. I've just plugged in the plug to the stock one, and now what we've got to do is connect these two up with our resistor, stick it to the wall inside the trunk, and we have a working tail light. Hopefully it all works, hopefully it all goes to plan. And yeah guys, it's looking pretty good right now. Keen to see what it looks like when it's all done. Guys, I just checked out all the lighting and how it all works. Everything looks sick. I'm not going to show you guys until it's all done, but I just hooked up the resistor to the other cables, so the black will go to the black and the red will go to the yellow, and then this will just stick on somewhere in your boot, and then it's all ready to go. So I'm just going to stick that to the wall, and then I'll do the other tail light off camera and get back to you guys. Alright guys, tail light's all in. This is all done up again. You just have to put those clips back on. Just peel off the double-sided tape for the receptor. I stuck it right in there, just on the side, and I put all this back in, and fitment is pretty good. Comes up to there. I'm really disappointed about that, but that's okay. Goes in there, and then I'll take off this plastic after. So that's all done. Once again, I'm not going to show you this, so I'll just skip to that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. And there we go, the other one's in. Right, everyone, the moment you're waiting for. Oh, that looks so much better with it off. Wow, that makes me feel a lot better. Dude, that looks insane. Okay, I'm going to quickly walk away from the car and look at it from a distance. It's going to be really cool. Oh, what? Okay, that looks so much better. Wow. It makes it look really aggressive with these sea lights. And the black housing, how it matches my headlights. Everything's really coming together. It looks so good. And now this quarter panel won't just be all red. It's got this really sick red reflector. Because I was kind of sick of all the red on the back. It looked really weird, didn't really look that good. And now it's starting to look so much better. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you all of the modes. I've just shut the garage so it's a bit dark and show you guys how they look once they're all done. Alright, so this is when you have the lights on and then off. This is brake light. This is the sequential indicators. And reverse. They look so sick. I'm so happy with them. I really love them. Everything was really easy to do. Looks really good. Really happy with how it turned out. If you guys want to go, like I said, buy these tail lights, they are down in the description. Big shout out to CT Auto Parts for sending them. And if you guys see this video, they look amazing. And I'm really super happy with them and hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah guys, that's going to be the end. Make sure you clean up all your rubbish, put it in the bin. Don't leave all your tools laying around like me. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you guys like the new look of the Subi. And I hope this was an easy tutorial for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more. And hit the post notifications button so you can get notified whenever I make a video. Yeah, that's going to be it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!